Once again, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the English class. Dear student, yesterday we started our chapter 3 and we read some part of it and we knew about our father Mahatma Gandhi and his childhood days, some portion of his childhood days, as where he was born, his mother's name, and his mm, manners and behaviors, what his mother taught him, and his father got a new job in Rajkot, so they moved to Rajkot from Porbandar. As a childhood, Mahatma Gandhi was a very good boy. He got good blessings from teachers. वो एक अच्छा लड़का था, so he get blessing, goodwill from teachers. After that, he has to move to high school when his father got to Rajkot. राजकोट में जब गया तो he has to meet different community people, different boys and girls with different culture and tradition. जो मदर उसका मम्मी she was a strict person and she taught each and every culture that she followed from her elders. उसका मम्मी ने जो अपने बुजुर्ग अपने बड़े से सीखा हुआ जो आदतें थे सब अपने बच्चे को सिखाया गया था, सिखाई थी. लेकिन what happened is that when he moved to the new school, he found a new community. There were the mix of different cultural people, culture of traditions. So he got confused and he got some problem. Lekin slowly and slowly he got adjusted and he was well known by his friends in the group because he had a good manner that his mother had taught, good behavior. So Mohandas, he was very good among them. सबके बीच में अच्छा था क्योंकि उसका लालन पालन परिवेश पुतली बाई who was a very religious woman who taught him very good lessons about life, so he didn't get any difficulties, but for the first time he was getting some kind of confusion to mix up with the different communities. Now, after that, in that school, a British official comes to inspect the school. At that time, the students were given 5 words to spell, to write in the copy, write on the copy. Everyone does it correctly, but our Mahatma Gandhi, he gets confused with kettle, the word kettle. But his teacher tells him to copy from the next boy, but he denies, he refused because he was a true lover student. He was following the truth. He doesn't want to lie anybody. उसका मम्मी ने यही सिखाया था किसी को झूठ नहीं बोलना. वो एक सच्चा स्टूडेंट था. सो टीचर का कहना उसने माना नहीं. He was not convinced by the teacher's word. So उसने नहीं अपना दोस्त का कॉपी उसने दोस्त का कॉपी से उतारा नहीं. Now let us move to another now. This is your today's part of the lesson that we will be learning. This is the whole paragraph. 4 paragraphs are there that we have to learn today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 paragraphs. And now let us go by paragraph by paragraph. Now, taught Gandhi how important it was for people from different religious backgrounds to live together. Although he did not believe in God at that time, he listened to the people from different backgrounds and understood the values which different religions taught. Now, here, though at that time he was just in the age of teen, everybody have the same manners as महात्मा गांधी do. महात्मा गांधी जैसा जो मैनर है भगवान को विश्वास नहीं करना, ऐसा होता है. पहले पहले जो प्राइमरी लेवल में थे तो मम्मी उसको बहुत भगवान के बारे में अथवा she used to give the information about gods. बट आफ्टर दैट व्हेन ही टॉस द टीन एज टाइम, जब बड़े होते जाए गया, तो उस टाइम पे इट इज ऑटोमेटिक दैट द माइंड नेवर एक्सेप्ट द गॉड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम अनलेस द सम क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन हैपन्स। ये एक ह्यूमन बीइंग का आदत है टीनेज में, क्योंकि हम लोग एकदम व्हाट डू वी से दैट वार्म ब्लडेड होता था हो जाता है वो। एट दैट टाइम वी फील दैट द वर्ल्ड इज आवर्स। तो हम लोग उस टाइम पे इवन वी डोंट हैव अ टोटल फेथ ओवर गॉड, ऑन गॉड। सो महात्मा गांधी जी का हालत भी यही था। वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा व्हेन ही टच द हाई अल्फ्रेड हाई स्कूल, उस टाइम पे भगवान को इतना मानते नहीं थे। लेकिन जब वो एक दूसरे lots of communities came there to study together, at that time he understood the value of which the different religions taught। विभिन्न धर्म का जो ज्ञान बांटते थे, ज्ञान सीखते थे, उस टाइम उस पे समझ आने लग गया। He understood that the value of God and the value of the religion, the path that the religion show. At that time, he came to understand that. Now, let us move to our second paragraph. Mohandas family followed all the rules of the Hindu religion. Although Mohandas did not enjoy the idea of following religious practices, he did not want to go against his family and especially his mother. When Mohandas was just 12 years old, his mother told her son that they should not toss the boy who would visit their home to clean their toilets. If ever they tossed him accidentally, they had to have a bath immediately. Although Gandhiji argued with his mother about this, he always followed her wishes. A turning point in Mohandas' life was when he went to see a play on Harishchandra. Harishchandra was the king who underwent a lot of difficulties and ended up selling his wife and son. Now let us see what does the paragraph say. Mohandas family, all the members of the Mohandas family followed the Hindu religion. वो लोग हिंदू थे and we know it also very well। और उसका फैमिली में सब रिलीजन का जो प्रैक्टिसेस होता है, धार्मिक कार्य, वो सब वो लोग मानते थे, फॉलो करते थे। लेकिन महात्मा गांधी उसके अगेंस्ट में थे, वो फॉलो नहीं करते थे। लेकिन क्या है, एक माँ, जब हम लोग माँ की बात आते हैं, हम लोग भला ही मैं पापा का बात नहीं मानते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन वी विल फॉलो द मदर्स वर्ड। मम्मी का बातें हम लोग काट नहीं सकते। दैट इज द पावर ऑफ मदर्स वर्ड। सो महात्मा गांधी भी ऐसा ही हाल था, मम्मी का बात नहीं काटते थे। सो टू फुलफिल हर विशेस, उसका विश फुलफिल करने के लिए वो भी एक पॉजिटिव किस्म का एक पॉजिटिव फीलिंग वो ना चाहते हुए भी पॉजिटिव फीलिंग दिखाते थे। और मम्मी ये सिखाते थे। एट दैट टाइम इट वाज अ वेरी अनटचेबिलिटी, द प्रथा अनटचेबिलिटी, द टाइम्स व्हेन द अनटचेबिलिटी वाज वेरी इन यूज। उस टाइम ऐसा था। तो मम्मी ये सिखाते थे, जब झाड़ू लगाने अथवा टॉयलेट साफ करने अथवा नीचे नीचे जात का जो अंडरकास्ट का जो पीपल आते हैं, तो उसको छूना नहीं, उससे दूर रहना। अगर छू भी लिया तो यू हैव टू टेक अ शावर, बाहर एक नहाना है और अपने शरीर को साफ करना है। ऐसे करके उसको एक ज्ञान देते थे। एक्चुअली हियर महात्मा गांधी, according to what we have learned till now, we have to say that Mahatma Gandhi, he never discriminate the caste, and I think due to his mother only, he fulfilled her wishes। Otherwise, he has to do what she wills him to do। उसका मम्मी जो कहते थे वो करना उस पे उसको मजबूरी था। But he was not ready to accept all those things। वो मानते नहीं थे ये सब। Now A turning point in Mohandas' life was when he went to see play on Harishchandra. एक हरिश्चंद्र का नाटक प्ले a turning point came मतलब his thinking थॉन उसका सोच बदल गया कि जब वो हरिश्चंद्र का ड्रामा देखने चला गया नाटक जहाँ पे हरिश्चंद्र एक किंग है जो बहुत मुश्किल से वो गुजरता है एंड लास्ट में वो क्या करता है अपने पत्नी और अपने बेटे को बेच देता है. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू अनदर पेज. he could avoided that he could have avoided that had been okay sorry he could have avoided that had he been willing to tell a lie, but Harishchandra would not lie. The impact of this story on Gandhi's mind was so deep that he hated the very idea of telling lies. Now हरिश्चंद्र का ये एक्ट ने एक प्रभाव डाला a positive feelings towards महात्मा गांधी that I must not tell lie. मैं कोई भी हालत में कितने कितने भी कठिनाई क्यों ना हो I must not tell lie. I must follow the path of truth. यहाँ पे हरिश्चंद्र भी जितना भी कठिनाई आया वो झूठ भी बोल सकते थे लेकिन he didn't tell a lie. हरिश्चंद्र क्या क्या कहा हरिश्चंद्र झूठ नहीं बोलते थे झूठ नहीं बोला जितना डिफिकल्टीज उसके सामने आ रहा था लेकिन वो झूठ बोल के उसको डिफिकल्टीज को पार नहीं किया. हरिश्चंद्र ही वॉज अ वेरी ट्रूथ फॉलोअर. ही वॉज अ क्या कहते हैं हम लोग सत्यवादी राजा हरिश्चंद्र हम लोग ये उदाहरण देते हैं. सो ही वॉज लाइक दैट. सो हिज ड्रामेटिकल एक्ट इन्फ्लुएंस महात्मा गांधी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. महात्मा गांधी का स्टेट ऑफ माइंड को हलचल मचा दिया एक इफेक्ट किया. सो ही ऑल्सो थॉट दैट ही मस्ट नॉट टेल अ lie in any condition. Now when Mohandas was 14 years old, his friend Mehtab introduced him to meet. Mehtab convinced Mohandas by saying that Indians could become strong and defeat the British if all the Indians if all Indians began to eat meat. Mohandas ate it but was very guilty about not telling his mother about it. Now, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, actually they remembered that they were vegetarian, they didn't take the meat. But one day what happened? His friend insisted him. His friend name is, what is his name? His friend name is Mehtab. Mehtab, he insisted him to eat the meat. मांस खाने के लिए इंसिस्ट किया जबरदस्ती कर लिया. उसने ये भी उदाहरण दिया कि ब्रिटिश को हम लोग भगा सकते हैं अगर हम लोग मांस खा सके मांस मछली खाएंगे क्योंकि ये ताकत देते और हम लोग उसको भगा सकेंगे. सो इट वाज द इफेक्ट ऑफ द टीनेज. सो महात्मा गांधी ने भी इजीली एक्सेप्ट किया और वो मांस खा लिया लेकिन बाद में उसको गिल्टी अब खुद को दोषी मान लिया क्योंकि ही वाज टेलिंग अ लाई टू हिज मदर को झूठ बोल रहा था. अब महात्मा गांधी was already influenced by Harishchandra's story. Now later when he was forced to eat the meat, then after that eating the meat, he could not tell the truth to his mother. He has to hide it because all the members in the family, the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi's family were vegetarian. So at that time he was feeling guilty क्योंकि मैंने झूठ बोला है मैं दोषी हूँ ऐसे करके मम्मी को झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहा था. So he was feeling guilty of that. Now let us move. After Mohandas left school, it was decided that he would go to England and study law. आफ्टर मोहनदास लेफ्ट स्कूल अल्फ्रेड हाई स्कूल लेफ्ट करने के बाद में छोड़ने पढ़ाई खत्म करने के बाद में डिसाइड किया था इंग्लैंड जाके वो कानून लॉ का कोर्स पढ़े. नाउ लेट अस मूव व्हाट हैपेंस. Mohandas was eager to go but his mother was worried. She took him to a Jain monk and made him promise that he would not touch wine, women, or meat. Mohandas was less than 18 years old when this happened in his life. He kept his promise to his mother all through his stay in England and for many years. Now, this boy, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, according to this paragraph, seems to be a very obedient boy. Listened to his mother, he carried his words throughout the days throughout the days that he spent in England. अब मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी को जब अल्फ्रेड हाई स्कूल ख़त्म किया तो उसको इंग्लैंड भेजने का डिसीजन लिया मेंबर ने, वहाँ जाके कानून पढ़े, लेकिन मदर वॉज वेरी वरीड क्योंकि अब टीन एज है, बच्चे बिगड़ भी सकता है। अब जब माँ बाप से दूर होता है बच्चे बिगड़ जाता है, ये मानना है। और सकबर ये होता भी है क्योंकि when they get the freedom they will mingle, they will mixed up in different kinds of unnecessary activities. So मम्मी को वरीड होना यहाँ पे राइट ही था। तो मम्मी ने पहले जाने से पहले मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी से प्रॉमिस करवाया कि वो वाइन को, शराब को, वुमेन लड़की, स्त्री को और मीट मांस मंची को हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे, वो खाएगा नहीं। Okay, at that time he was less than 18. He was moreover 18 years old, and this happened because it shows the love of mother to his son, and the way he returned back, the child returned back, the way the child returned back the words of mother, that was also very splendid एकदम। क्योंकि महात्मा गांधी को जैसे प्रॉमिस मम्मी ने दिया था उसको महात्मा गांधी ने फुलफिल किया। Now today in the time that we are spending today, we can see this type of keeping the words of others। हम लोग आज के ज़माने में ये सब वर्ड रखने का देखने को नहीं मिलता है। अभी वर्ड प्रॉमिस करते हैं, अभी हम लोग तोड़ देते। So we must be very strong in our words. Now let us move to now dear student, that was all about our great father Mahatma Gandhi ji, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi ji. Today I just want to tell you all the students that if you have understood the lesson very well, it's that is very good. And if you are again still confused, you can go through it, revise it, and if you have any confusion, you can mention in the um, classroom app. Dear student, all the words I have found some only a little, only a few students they have done the work that I am giving. All of you, you have to try it, you have to do it. Now today's work, it is you just go through the whole lesson and write the difficult words very nicely with good handwriting. And I request all my dear students to use the 2 lines copy, not 4 lines copy. It is not the time that you have to use the 4 lines copy. If it is needed, I will tell you later on. But now you have to use the 4 lines copy. 2 lines copy. Your handwriting must be good, and whatever you are doing today in this critical time, that should be kept safely, and that will be checked afterwards when the school reopens. Dear student, this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice time.